Hello, good day to you all. How are you doing? Hope you are fine today. Okay, you're welcome to the English class. My name is Teacher Abdul. Say it, Teacher Abdul. Yeah, so can you please tell me what's today's date? Again? Fine. 13th of February 2024. Today we are going to be learning English language. I will look at something very important in English which will make us understand the language better. And this is what we call the part of speech in English. In English, knowing and identifying the part of speech that each word belongs to give us a better understanding of the language. Now, we start with things. Like I, myself, am somebody. This is a spoon. It's a thing. You all have books. Books, paper. This is a cap. A cap. This is a cup. Say it, it's a cup. Now, these are all things. In English, we call these things noun. Noun. Noun are names of things, animal, places. Like you say, John, what's your name? Lynn. Okay, what about you? Tom. Yeah, that is a noun. The name of a person. Animal. A dog. Whoa, whoa. That is a dog. A cat. Meow. That is a noun. Things like we have the cup, the cap, or a place. China, Canada, Vietnam, Saigon. Yeah, those are places. Now, in English, in the part of speech, we have the noun, we have the pronoun, we have the adjective, we have the verb, and we have the adverbs, and some other ones. So we take it one after the other. When you say noun, it's the name of a place, animal, or thing. Now, when you are dealing with these nouns, you use it in an expression. A noun always acts as a subject in a sentence. It tells you the thing that is doing something or which something is being done upon. It either is performing the action or is receiving the action. I drank the water. I am the person. Drink is a verb. The water is a thing which I drank. That means I perform the action on the water. So it's either a subject or an object. The noun is either the subject or an object. Now, something comes in mind. When using a noun, you can also substitute it or you replace the noun. How do you do that? That is by the introduction of a pronoun. A pronoun is used instead of a noun. Tom owns the paper. He writes on it. Every day he comes to school. Instead of saying tung, tung, tung again and again, which makes the sentence boring, we now replace the tongue with E. And when we hear the word E, we know this is a masculine. That means it's a male, it's a boy. If it's a female, what do we say? You, she, thank you. Tung is a boy. He is a student. He comes to school every day. So that is using a pronoun instead of a noun. Pronoun also denotes subject and object. This is a cat. It belongs to Anne. She is the owner of the cat. She is now coming in place of Anne. Is that understood? Now, move to the third one, which describe the noun or the pronoun better. It is called adjective. 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 When we look at it, we can even break it down into two. An adject. Add is addition when you are putting on plus. Like you say 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2. You are adding to that which is established already. The jet now can be, let's say it's from the subject or the object. You are adding to the subject or the object in order for us to have a better understanding of it. Understood? The first example we gave, I, that is the pronoun, drank the water. I drank the cold water. Cold. It's telling us more information about the water. And owns the black car. Black there is an adjective showing us the color of the car. Or we say Tung owns the big book or the big bag. Big there is showing us the size of the bag. So adjective comes in 8 ways. The first is the number, a book, a bag, 3 boys, 5 cars. Second is the quality, a good shoe, a nice dress. Third is the size, a big dog. See a big dog, and you also see small dogs. So that is the size. From the size, the age, the old man, the young boy. Then the shape. The shape. Is it a circle, a square, a rectangle, oval, or oblong? Oblong, that is something long with a curved edge. Then the color. Is it black? The black cat. Then the origin. Where is it from? Italy? Is it made in China? Or is it from Africa? Then the material. Is it glass? Is it wooden? Is it fabric? Or the rest? That is how we arrange the information of an adjective. Adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Like we said, the black cat. This is a good, medium, black cat. That is the order of adjectives. Then we can look at the next one, which is a verb. A verb is a state of being or an action word which shows what we are doing. As I am now, I'm talking. I am talking. I, pronoun. Talking. Now. You students, are you listening? The teacher is talking, so you listen. I'm talking to you. You are the object and I am the subject. Is that clear? So if you have any question, you may raise up your hand and ask your question before we end the class. You, okay, get up. What is it? A noun. Yes. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or thing. Can you give us a sample of a noun? Tomb. Okay. Cat. Yes. What about the place? Hanoi, yeah, that is a good example. So we continue with adverb